Understanding your spinal MRI. MRI is also called magnetic resonance imaging. This is a technique where the machine uses force fields to acquire the images of your spine and give a detailed structure of a spine. When it gives us the information, it comes out us in two planes. One is we see from the side and one we are able to see from the top. It gives us information about all the structures around the spine and the nerves going through it. So this is a section showing the spine from the side. As you can see, on the top is the brain. From the brain, I can see the spinal cord and the nerves coming down to the body, and each part of the body will get a nerve supply through this. So this structure is protected in the front by this bone and disc column. The square ones are the bones, the light gray, and the dark ones are the discs. This structure gives the strength and protection to the spinal cord. On this structure, you stand and your back balances yourself and your body takes weight. There are muscles around this column which produce the movement of flexion, means forward bending, extensions means backward bending, and right and left lateral bending. Looking at this section from the other angle means looking from the top down. You can see this is the bone I'm talking about, which is looking like a square here, but it is round here. Then this bone comes back and makes joints at the back to make a solid column of protection around the nerves, which are in the middle, which we can see, which are behind these big bones. We can see the nerves here. These nerves lie freely in the spinal canal. This column is surrounded by the muscles on each side. Front is the abdomen, this is the back. In the MRI, what we focus on is the position of the nerves, the shape of the bones, the color changes in the MRI, and any collections or any unusual things. So MRI gives us different colors for each acquisition. We compare it to a normal color. We compare the shapes of the MRI to the shape of a normal human being MRI. We see the alignments, like we can see here, that here the nerves are free because the discs and the bones all are in one line. But here we can see the discs are coming out and I cannot see the nerves here. So that means there is some compression on the nerves here. And the same thing if we go on the MRI, we can see that the nerves get narrowed and compressed. So this is the reason we do an MRI. MRI is a very good investigation. It gives us a lot of information, bones, nerves and soft tissues. It is radiation free, so it can be repeated again if required. And MRI is the most advanced imaging technique we have. Thanks.